Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my May Boxycharm. Ipsy by Boxycharm, we're all still trying to figure it out. I have some great items in front of me. I'm starting to get a little more of a grasp of how this works. I have some makeup that I'll be putting on off camera. I have some that I'll get to play with today. So if you want to see me put a look together using my Boxycharm goodies and see what I got, then just keep watching. The only thing that I have on my face right now is my brow gel and brow pencil. I also have a little bit of eyeshadow primer on. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's, I believe, $29.99 a month for the box that I get. And they choose your first 2 items, and then you get to choose the next 3. This month I felt really good about the choices that they gave me. The first one we're going to talk about is this EVIO Beauty. This is their Pore-Perfect primer. It's a moisturizing primer that has a matte finish that creates a smooth base for your foundation and helps it last all day. With every use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to help soothe your skin and minimize the appearance of pores while also helping to reduce any redness. Looks like a white lotion. I'm gonna put it on my fingers and spread it around. I don't smell anything. Maybe a little spa-like. Not too thick. We'll give it a minute to soak in and take a look at the skin, but so far it feels nice. The next item is this Beauty for Real Essential Pro Eye Brush Collection. Whether you're going for a smoky eye, subtle sweep of sheer color, or a gradient rainbow, these eyeshadow brushes are your go-to, designed by a makeup artist. These pro quality brushes pack on the pigment with precision and high level performance. This set retails for $42. I love getting new brushes. This is what they look like. I love the chocolatey brown color. We have 2 blending brushes, one which is a little bit flat and fluffy, which I like. The other one is smaller for precision. Then there's these 2. This one is neat because it's a flat brush, but it has a little bit of an angle with a spoolie on the other side. And then this one is your nice flat brush. And then the last one is a cool liner brush. This next item is the LYS Love Yourself eyeshadow palette in Unapologetic. This baby packs a punch with 6 neutral shades that are perfect for any occasion. The high pigment formula glides on smoothly and blends like a dream, making it easy to create a variety of looks from subtle to dramatic. Retails for $25. And let me show you the inside of the one I already own. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love LYS. I have a lot of their products. This one is mine, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This was an item that Boxy picked for me, and I was perfectly fine with that because, you know, there might be a surprise at the end of this video. I'm going to post a couple of the looks that I made with this eyeshadow palette, because shockingly, that's not the one I'm going to use today. Here is the Dominique Cosmetics Smooth and Blur Setting Powder in Translucent. When your foundation looks flawless, reach for this powder to help lock it down. This long-wearing formula helps to mattify, smooth, and blur your complexion to a seamless, soft focus finish without clogging your pores. Plus, hyaluronic acid keeps your skin from drying out and looking cakey. This retails for $22. I'm very excited about this. I've heard some great things about this powder. It's getting a lot of buzz online. And the last thing that I got in my subscription box is the CAB Cosmetics Hydrating Setting Mist. This hydrating setting spray is a makeup game changer. It locks in your look all day while providing a burst of hydration to leave your skin feeling fresh and dewy, infused with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera and coconut water. This spray is perfect for all skin types and feels super soothing and refreshing. Retails for $28. When I talked about how much I loved Boxy, it was the sales that they have on the additional makeup products that really get me. And in the drop shop, I don't even know what they call it now, they had a set that included a full-size Natasha Denona palette as well as a MAC lipstick. So I grabbed it. It was in my box. Let me show you what I got. And packaged really nice. This was inside the big Ipsy box. So what I got was the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I love Natasha Denona's eyeshadow formula. I have never been disappointed. This is what the outer part of the packaging looks like. And here is the inside. That looks gorgeous. I see a lot of warm tones over here, some cool tones over here. I am excited, cannot wait to play with this. And also in that set came a Love Me MAC lipstick. And this one, I actually looked up how to say this. See if I mess it up. Any French speakers? The shade is Joie de Vivre? Joie de Vivre? I don't know how you say that. But it's a pretty pinky sort of color. I'm not sure it's a formula that I would be excited over or a shade that I would be excited over. But we're gonna play. It's like a purpley pink. And this palette retails for $69. These are, I don't know, maybe $22. I got these together in the drop shop for $25. I couldn't help myself. Let's get into the look. I am looking at my skin and it looks nice. It doesn't look super matte. It just looks natural. It looks healthy and smooth. No tacky finish. So what I'd like to do first is put a look together with this Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I should show you some of the shimmers, right? Let me do a couple of swatches here. I'm gonna go into this sort of gold color called Yama. Let's grab Flow, Serve, and Luster. Just grabbing 4 shimmers. No, that's pretty. That Serve would be a nice lid shade. So I'm gonna take this first Beauty for Real brush, and this one, are they numbered? This one says Contour. I'm gonna go into Balance right here, which just looks like a nice neutral shade. And I am just gonna add this into my crease. Brushes feel nice. They have a nice firmness to them, but the bristles feel soft to the touch. Next, I'm gonna go in with the same brush into Mindful, which is just a slightly deeper shade. And I'm just gonna focus this on the outer corner. I'm liking these brushes. I'm gonna go into the fluffier one with the flat edge and just go over the edges. I'm gonna actually go into Balance and Mindful and just run that along the bottom. Next, I'm gonna go into that, actually it was Sense that was that shimmer shade, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. Very nice. And then maybe just for a little brightness, I'm gonna go into this Yama. Yama has a couple different tones in it, but it's pretty. Kind of a duochrome. Okay, that added a little bit extra pop. I'm super excited to get into some of these greens and the oranges. Let me know if you want to see more looks with this palette. All right, I went ahead and added some liner and mascara onto the top lashes. Now I want to get into foundation because I wanted to show you how the foundation applies over this EVIO Beauty Primer. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of one of my favorite foundations, the Revlon Color Stay. Mine is for a combination oily, and my shade is 240. Just gonna pop a little on the back of my hand. I don't know why I did 2 pumps. You do not need that much. And I'll take my Haley's Beauty foundation brush and just tap it in. I'm having no issues. I guess I am cheating a little bit because I do love this foundation. This is my current favorite at the drugstore. Wears well. But I can continue trying it with other foundations and keep it posted. Way too much foundation. So I added some concealer, cream bronzer, and cream blush. And now we are ready to set. I want to go into this Dominique Cosmetics powder. I kind of wish they'd sent me the pink one, but if I fall in love with this, I will seriously consider picking up the pink. It does have a seal on it. Powder just flew everywhere. It has little holes. I'm going to tap some onto the cap. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, that's very nice. Let me go ahead and set the rest of the face. Feels light as air, and yet I look smooth and mattified. Yes. I went ahead and added my powder, bronzer, highlight, and blush, my bottom mascara. I did add a little bit more of this shade underneath. I always lose it with the powder and concealer. And I added lip liner, which I thought was a good idea to use the EVIO Beauty. And of course, you know, everything that's on my face will be listed and linked in the description box for you below, as usual. Here is the lip color, and let's just go for it. I like the smell, I like the texture of it going on my lips. I'm not sure how I feel about the color. The last product to play with is this Cab Beauty setting spray. I love the way the pump looks. It reminds me of MAC Fix Plus. Oh, it smells nice. It smells a little bit on the sweet side. I really like that. Let's look at the retail value of the box with and without the little Natasha, Denona, and MAC add-on. $141. This palette retails for $69, and I believe this one is for $22. We could even say $20 just to keep it simple. That's another $89 worth of product. Did I get my money's worth? Absolutely. I am very pleased with the box this month. I was pleased with the selections that they gave me. When you're a member, you'll complete a beauty profile so that they know what your skin type is, what your skin concerns are, maybe the color stories that you like, and they take that all into consideration, I believe. My little gift to you is that because I own the Unapologetic palette, I'm gonna gift one to you. So I'm gonna have a little giveaway. It is Wednesday when this video goes up, so the following Wednesday, let me look at the date. So today's the 10th. On the 17th, I will draw a winner for this LYS Unapologetic eyeshadow palette, which, if I may remind you, is beautiful. Rules to get into the giveaway. Number one, you must be a subscriber. Public subscriber would be helpful. If I click on your name and see who you are subscribed to, I should be able to see my face. Follow me on Instagram. I will pop up a picture. It is Jenn D Beauty Official. I'm also on TikTok if you didn't know that. Leave a comment on this video letting me know that you would like to be in the giveaway and a way to reach you, whether it is your email or your Instagram tag. And then of course, next Wednesday, probably in the evening, I'll get my little one down to bed, I will do a random number picker, and then I will pin a comment to this video and let you know if you are the lucky winner. With that said, I hope you'll subscribe no matter what. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up if you had some fun, and of course, leave me a comment. I love chatting with you in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.